Did you know that over 70% of the world's coffee is produced by small-scale farmers? Welcome to today's Fact Friday. These hardworking small-scale families grow coffee on less than 5 acres of land, primarily in regions like Africa, Latin America, and Asia. Mid-sized farms account for 20%, and large-scale plantations account for, this will surprise you, less than 10%. So, what makes specialty coffee special? It's all about the quality and traceability. It's grown in unique microclimates, handpicked for ripeness, and graded for high specialty coffee standards of 80 points or above. Every cup offers rich flavors and a connection to the people who grow it. Now, that's special. Comment below if you want me to cover SCA scoring standards on my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more facts. Join our forum at solaicoffee.com/forum and enjoy your weekend.